Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can easily add admin or how we can add offer or staff member to your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify and then just click to settings. And when you're going to be in the settings, you just want to click on plan and permissions. And right here in plan and permissions, you just want to write add staff account. And just add the first name, last name, just the email, and send invite. You can also change the permissions here that the admin, the staff member will online store, edit the blog, posts and pages, manage locations. It's really up to you. And then just click send invite. And voila, here we got it. So I have the admin here, and you can, for example, see it here when I'm going to open the blog post. I can change the offer here. So yeah, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.